Riches abuse them who do not know how to use it. Hello everybody, this is Naval Singh in front of you with another story. Story name is Two Chapatis. One day, a man who was living in a village has lot of money. His name was Hiralal. He was so hard working and his wife was also hard working. He raised his children so well that everybody in the village was jealous with him because he has lot of money in his hand and he raised his children so well. His children was so settled in the different part of the cities, and uh, they were separated from their parents, from the Hiralal and his wife. Hiralal and his wife were not satisfied in his life because they feel something is missing in their heart. Even they have lot of money, they were rich, they were called rich in 5 to 10 village nearby, but they had something missing in their heart. So one day Hiralal talked to his friend that they are feeling some missing in their heart. What could they do to fulfill that? His friend gave him a address of one Swamiji who has lot of prosperity, lot of knowledge, that who can give or who can wish him lot of things so that he can fulfill his life with something which is missing, which he is thinking that something is missing in his heart. So he went to Swamiji cottage. He convinced him anyhow, and the Swamiji at last agreed to come his home. One evening, when the Swamiji came to his place, Hiralal and his wife welcomed him so well that he was so impressed. The Swamiji was so impressed with him. So what? So he asked him. The Hiralal asked him to sit in one room where uh, he has settled him for the chair and table for the Swamiji. His wife came with the food and said and offered him to the Swamiji. Swamiji uh, joined his hand and prayed to the God that uh, he at least have some food or have some meal for the day. So he had two chapatis. When the another chapatis which is offered by the Hiralal wife, he um, he's excused himself and said, now it's enough, my stomach is full of I'm done, so I cannot take one more chapati. So the Hiralal said, only two chapatis are enough for you. So Swamiji said, this is enough for me, and asked and took permission from the Hiralal and his wife to leave. Hiralal was expecting something from the Swamiji, but Swamiji did not say anything and was uh, stepped out from his door. When he stepped out from the door, Hiralal asked, Swamiji, you are not giving something to me. How can you forget that? Swamiji said, what can I give it to you? Because I am already, I don't have anything in my life. So you have everything in your life a person, a domestic person can have. You have your son well settled in the cities, different part of the cities. You are the rich person in the village. You have everything which a household can have in their home. So what the missing, the thing you are asking from me, and I cannot give anything to you because I do not have anything. Even I don't know where will my meal will be for tomorrow. I mean, from where I can get the meal for tomorrow. So what can I give to you? What can I give it to you? So the Hiralal said, you can give me prosperity, or you can wish us something. So his wife also emphasized the Swamiji for the same. Swamiji said, you are so you have everything in your life, but you are not satisfied with your life. So by satisfying your life, you need to give, or you need to share what you have in your life. So by offering something to other people, by sharing your knowledge, sharing something which you have in your life, you should share to the other people, so that you can get the happiness in your heart which is missing in your heart. So he understood the same, that this type of truth did not tell him anybody, by anybody. So he understood the same. So we need to understand from this story that we should always share the things to the other people which we have. If I have a knowledge, I should share the same knowledge to the other people, so that other can benefit it from it. If I have money, so that so I should distribute, I should donate uh, food to the needy person. So this is all about the story. Thank you so much.